Magandang araw! Ang pag-aaralan natin ngayon ay ang universal set and subset. Umpisahan natin sa isang activity. Gamit ang mga number na nasa box, ibigay ang set of numbers na aking hinihingi. Number 1, even numbers from 11 to 20. Tama! Ito ay ang 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Ikalawa, add numbers from 11 to 20. Tama! Ito ay 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. Next, prime numbers from 11 to 20. Tama. Ito ay 11, 13, 17, 19. Number 4. Composite numbers from 11 to 20. Correct. So ito ay 12, 14, 15, 16, 18, 20. And the last one, numbers from 11 to 20. Ito ay 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So, i-define natin ang universal set. The universal set is denoted by capital U. It contains all the elements being considered in a given set. So, in our previous activity, we can consider that the universal set consists of counting numbers from 11 to 20. Next is subset. Set A is a subset of set B if all the elements in set A are also elements of B. Meaning, lahat ng elements ni A ay dapat present kay set B. The statement A is a subset of B can also be written as this one. The symbol means is a subset of. So from our previous activity, we have our universal set and the following sets. So we can say that A is a subset of U since we can have these numbers in our universal set, meaning makikita natin ang 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 sa ating universal set. Next one, B is a subset of U. Makikita natin ang numbers 11, 13, 15, 17, 19 sa ating universal set. Next is C is a subset of U, meaning these four elements can be found in our universal set. And we have set D is a subset of U. So 12, 14, 15, 16, 18, and 20 are present in our universal set. Also, kung mapapansin nyo, ang elements ng set A ay makikita sa set D. So we can say that A is a subset of D. Lahat ng elements ni A ay makikita sa set D. Pero, hindi lahat ng elements ni D ay makikita kay A. Meaning, D is not a subset of A. Next, we have here the elements of C. Saan makikita ang elements of C aside from universal set? Tama, ito ay nasa set B. So we can say that C is a subset of B, meaning lahat ng elements ni C ay present kay set B. Pero, set B is not a subset of C since hindi lahat ng elements ni B ay makikita o present kay set C. Note, an empty set is a subset of every set, and every set is a subset of itself. Let us have a proper subset. If set A is a proper subset of B, then at least one element in B, not in A. The statement A is a proper subset of B can also be written as this one. Let us have an example from our previous activity. So we can say that A is a proper set of set U. So meaning, lahat ng elements ni A makikita kay universal set. Pero may mga elements si set U na wala kay set A. Next, B is a proper subset of U, meaning lahat ng elements ni B ay makikita kay universal set, pero may mga elements si universal set na hindi makikita sa ating set B. Next, C is a proper subset of U. Lahat ng elements ni set C ay makikita sa universal set, pero may mga elements si set U na hindi makikita kay set C. Same way with set D. Hindi lahat ng elements ni U ay makikita kay D. Now we have set E. Set E is not a proper subset of U, because all the elements of set E can be found in set U. Lahat ng elements ni set E ay makikita rin sa ating universal set. Now let us have a practice. So you have to write here subset and specify if it's proper subset or not. For number 1, we have AB. So that is a subset and it is a proper because lahat ang AB ay makikita sa set A, pero may mga elements si A na hindi makikita sa ating first set. Number 2 is considered also a subset. Number 3, our empty set is considered a subset and it is proper. Since we all know na ang empty set ay subset ng every given set. Number 4, it is a subset pero hindi siya proper. Since lahat ng elements ng set number 4 ay makikita sa ating given set na set A. Now let us talk about the number of elements. So we have here 3 sets. Let us identify first the number of elements in the given set. For the first one, we have 0. Second one, we have 1. And the third one, we have 2, since we have A and B only. And let us list down all the possible subsets. For the first one, we have the empty set. And again, we all know empty set is a subset of any given set. For number 2, we have empty set and set of A. For the third one, we have empty set, set of A, set of B, and set AB. Now let us have the number of subset. So for the first one, we have only 1. That is an empty set. And for the second one, we have 2, empty set and set of A. And for the third one or last one, we have 4. Because we have 4 possible subsets here. Now let's see. May nakikita tayong pattern dito. So we all know na ang equivalent ng 1 ay 2 raised to 0. So any number raised to 0 is equal to 1. Saan nga ba galing yung 0? ito ay galing sa number of elements. Next is, alam natin, any number raised to 1 is equal to the number itself. So, 2 is equal to 2 raised to 1. Yung 1 galing sa number of element. Next one is 4. Saan galing yung 4? So, 4 is equal to 2. And then yung 2, again, na exponent, galing siya sa number of element in a given set. Now, let us have this example. How many subset in A consist of A, B, C? So, una natin gagawin dito ay bilangin ang number of elements. So, here we have 3. A, B, and C only. And we have the solution, 2 raised to 3. Yung 3 doon, sa exponent, ay galing sa number of elements. So, meaning, imumultiply mo ang 2 ng 3 beses sa kanyang sarili. So, 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8. Note, a set with n elements has 2 raised to n subsets. So, let us have this exercise. Consider set D with the elements W, X, Y, Z. How many number of subsets in set D? The answer is 16. Paano natin nakuha ang 16? So, solution, 2 raised to 4. Yung 4 doon ay number of elements. Since 4 yung elements natin, that is W, X, Y, Z. So, we have to multiply 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, that is equal to 16. Now, let us have number 2. List all the subsets. So, ilista lang natin. Unang-una ay ang empty set. Kalawa, syempre, yung 1 by 1. So, W, set of X, set of Y, set of Z. And then, yung dalawahan. And then, yung tatluhan. And then, the given set itself. So, we have here 16 subsets.